There's a psalm that has carried millions through storms, fear, loss, and pain. Psalm 23 is more than a verse, it's a promise that you are not alone, that even in your darkest night there is a shepherd walking beside you. Today, we don't just read this psalm, we pray it, from the heart, with faith. Let every word heal, comfort, and strengthen you. Let this moment be your turning point. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. Take a deep breath. Whisper this truth. The Lord is your shepherd. Right now, in this very moment. He's not far away. He's near, watching, guiding, caring. When everything around you feels uncertain, when fear knocks at the door, when you feel like you're losing control, He remains. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. Close your eyes. Imagine those green pastures. Hear the soft water flowing. That's where He wants to take you. That's where your soul can rest. God is not leading you into chaos. He leads you into peace. He doesn't rush you. He restores you. He rebuilds you. In His arms, there's no pressure, only love. In His presence, there is rest. He restores my soul. Have you been feeling broken, weary? Then say this out loud. Lord, restore my soul. God knows every crack in your heart, every tear you cried, every thought you kept hidden. He sees what others don't, and He restores. He leads me in paths of righteousness for His name's sake. You may feel lost right now. You may be facing decisions that weigh heavily on you, but your shepherd knows the way. Even when you can't see ahead, He can. Even when you're unsure, He is certain. Trust that every step you take with Him is a step toward purpose. And now comes the part of the psalm that touches the deepest part of our fears. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, because valleys will come, shadows will fall, pain will visit, but you will not be alone. God never promised a life without valleys, but He promised you would never walk them alone, for you are with me. Say that with faith. You are with me, God. When the night is darkest, He is with you. When your strength is gone, He is with you. When you can't take one more step, He carries you. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. In His hands, there is both strength and compassion. He defends you. He protects you. He knows when to fight for you, and He knows when to hold you close. Pause here for a moment. Let these words settle into your heart. And tell me in the comments below, what part of this psalm speaks to your soul today? You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Even when life is against you, God is setting a table. Even when others doubt you, God is preparing your victory. You don't have to fight every battle. Some are won on your knees, in prayer, in trust, in quiet surrender. God blesses you in front of the things that tried to break you. That's who He is. You anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. His blessings are not small. His goodness overflows. He anoints you with purpose, with healing, with power. Not just enough to survive, but enough to thrive. Maybe your heart has been dry. Maybe your faith has been empty, but He is ready to fill your cup again, to pour out mercy, grace, peace, strength. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, not just some days, not only on the good days, but all the days, even the hard ones, even the days you feel unworthy, even the days you fall. God's goodness doesn't depend on your perfection. It depends on His promise, and He never breaks a promise. And I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Your heart belongs with God. You were made to walk with Him forever, in joy, in peace, in love that never ends. Let this prayer be your shelter tonight. Let this psalm become more than words. It's your truth, a declaration, a lifeline, a promise. God is still your shepherd, even when you can't feel Him, even when your prayers feel silent, even when everything seems delayed. He hasn't forgotten you. He hasn't changed. The same shepherd who walked with David through the valley walks with you now. You may be asking, "Lord, where are you?" And His answer is simple: right here. I never left. Sometimes God doesn't remove the valley. He walks through it with you. Sometimes He doesn't stop the storm. He becomes your peace in the middle of it. That's what Psalm 23 reminds us of. It's not a promise of a perfect life. It's a promise of a present God. Let's say it again. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. Even when you're overwhelmed by bills, by stress, by heartbreak, you can trust. He will provide. Not just what you want, but what your soul truly needs. Sometimes we think we need answers, but what we really need is His presence, and He gives it freely, right now. He makes me lie down in green pastures. That means you don't have to do it all. You can rest, you can breathe. It's okay to stop for a moment. You don't have to carry everything alone. Maybe today God is calling you to rest in Him, to stop running, to stop doubting, to lay it all down, and let Him be enough. He leads me beside still waters. The world is noisy, social media, deadlines, opinions, but His voice is still, gentle, calm. He doesn't push, He leads. Let Him lead you back to peace. Back to stillness, back to joy. Even if everything outside is chaotic, inside you can be still. He restores my soul. That's what He's doing right now, through this prayer, restoring the broken places, mending the pieces no one else sees, bringing life where there's been dryness. If this prayer is speaking to your heart, pause for a moment. And if you feel led, click the like button and subscribe to this channel so this word can reach even more hearts that need healing today. Let's spread His peace together. He leads me in paths of righteousness. Maybe you've made mistakes. Maybe shame has been whispering lies. But God is not done writing your story. You are not too far gone. You are not too broken. He still leads. He still guides. Every day is a fresh start when you walk with Him. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death. You may be there now, in the middle of it, but you're walking through. You're not staying. God is walking you through depression, through grief, through fear, one step at a time. You are not weak for needing Him. You are strong because you do. I will fear no evil. Fear may try to speak, but it does not have the final word. God's presence is bigger than the fear in your mind. His light is stronger than the darkness around you. His promises are louder than every lie of the enemy. For you are with me. Say it again, out loud, slowly. You are with me, in the quiet, in the pain, in the unknown. You are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. He disciplines you because He loves you. He protects you because you are His. Every trial has purpose. Every season is held in His hands. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. He is not intimidated by your enemies. He doesn't retreat. He sets a table. He honors you. He covers you. He shows the world that you are His child. You anoint my head with oil. This is your calling, your identity. You are anointed, chosen, set apart. You are more than what you've been through. God's hand is on you. Your cup overflows. Not just enough for you, but enough to bless others. Enough to overflow into your family, into your relationships, into your future. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me. Not maybe, not sometimes. Surely, goodness will chase you. Mercy will catch you. Grace will cover you. Because God is with you, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. This is your home. Not fear, not shame, not anxiety, but His presence. Let this psalm live in you. Let it speak when you can't find words. Let it guide you when you feel lost. Let it remind you, you are loved. You are not alone. You are held. Before you leave, take one moment to write below. What did God speak to you through this prayer? Your words may bless someone else reading today.